You can see the full version history of a document, or you can see just the most recent changes. So, if you've been away from a document, you can see only the edits that were made since you last opened it. In this lesson, you learn how to see any new changes made to your document. When you open a document, at the top, see Click New Changes. If you don't see this link, then nothing has changed since you last opened the document. The document opens in a preview window. In the top corner, you can see the time of the last edit. You can also see how many edits were made. Use the arrows to scroll through the changes. Recent edits are highlighted and you can see the name of the person who made the change. Click See Full History to get the complete version history of the document. You can also print the page or zoom in or out as needed. When you're done viewing the changes, click back to return to the document.